Welcome to AIMoneyMentor, where we transform financial possibilities into realities. Today, we're exploring something many of you have asked for: practical strategies to build your first $1 million. Let's dive into 15 powerful methods that could change your financial future. The most direct path to wealth is developing expertise in fields where the market pays premium rates. Top performers in specialized fields like software development, data science, or high-ticket sales consistently command six-figure incomes. Unlike traditional professionals who spend years in education, sales experts can reach exceptional income levels faster. The top 5% of sales professionals frequently earn over $200,000 annually, reaching their first million in 4 to 5 years. If you pursue this route, invest in your education with books like Way of the Wolf by Jordan Belfort or Spin Selling by Neil Rackham. Rather than writing a single blockbuster book, consider creating a portfolio of digital products. Ebooks, online courses, templates, and digital tools can generate passive income while you sleep. Many successful entrepreneurs start with self-publishing low-cost digital products, then gradually build a catalog that collectively generates substantial monthly revenue. The secret is building an audience first through valuable free content, then offering solutions to their specific problems. Creating patentable solutions or licensable intellectual property can generate substantial ongoing revenue. Inventors, designers, and problem solvers who develop unique solutions can license their innovations to established companies rather than handling manufacturing and distribution themselves. Even without expensive patent protection, you can document your invention thoroughly, establish digital timestamps, and create a paper trail that proves you were first to market with your concept. While speculative cryptocurrency investing has created some overnight millionaires, the more sustainable approach is developing applications and services that solve real problems using blockchain technology. Rather than launching questionable tokens, focus on creating genuine utility in areas like decentralized finance, supply chain verification, or digital identity. The companies providing infrastructure and real-world solutions in this space are quietly building substantial wealth. Instead of starting from zero, consider purchasing an established business with proven revenues. Franchise opportunities provide systems and brand recognition, while independent business acquisitions may offer better value. Look for businesses where the owner is retiring or moving on, where you can apply your skills to improve operations, marketing, or technology. With the right financing structure, you can acquire a business that pays for itself while building your equity position. The subscription economy has transformed nearly every industry by converting one-time customers into recurring revenue streams. The math is compelling. 1,000 subscribers paying $85 monthly generates over $1 million annually. Successful subscription businesses identify ongoing customer needs and deliver consistent value that justifies continued payment. From content subscriptions to physical product deliveries, this model scales efficiently once you've established product-market fit. Working directly for successful entrepreneurs and fast-growing companies can accelerate your path to wealth. By joining organizations where equity compensation is part of the package, you can potentially share in massive value creation. Look for opportunities where your specific skills can create disproportionate value, then negotiate for equity or performance-based compensation that aligns your rewards with the company's success. This approach often builds wealth faster than entrepreneurship for those with specialized skills. Content creation across YouTube, podcasting, blogging, or social media can generate substantial revenue when approached strategically. The key is developing a consistent audience around a specific value proposition before diversifying income streams. Rather than focusing solely on advertising revenue, successful content creators build multi-layered business models, including sponsorships, premium content, merchandise, and affiliated services. Your $1 million content platform starts with consistently delivering exceptional value to a specific audience. Online communities centered around specific interests or needs create tremendous value that can be monetized ethically. From professional networks to hobby-based communities, people will pay for connection, learning, and access to like-minded individuals. Building a thriving community requires genuine leadership, consistent engagement, and creating an environment where members receive far more value than they contribute financially. When done right, membership fees, premium tiers, and related services can generate seven-figure revenues. Building your first $1 million requires intention, strategy, and persistent execution. While luck plays a role, consistent application of these principles dramatically increases your probability of success. Remember that most millionaires built their wealth through a combination of approaches, adapting their strategies as opportunities emerged. We'd love to hear which of these strategies resonates most with you. Comment below with your path to your first million, and our community will support your journey. This is AIMoneyMentor, helping you build wealth with intelligence and purpose. Subscribe for more actionable financial strategies, and we'll see you in our next video.